Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaleva. Today we are going to do the problems in exercise 5.11 from the chapter fractions. Okay, first question. Write the multiplicative inverse of these fractions. We are going to write the multiplicative inverse for the given fractions. Multiplicative inverse means nothing but reciprocal. So we are going to write the reciprocal of the given fractions. Okay, the first fraction is 2 by 5. Multiplicative inverse of 2 by 5. Here multiplicative inverse means we have to write the numerator as denominator and the denominator as numerator. So multiplicative inverse of 2 by 5 is equal to 5 by 2. Okay, multiplicative inverse of 4 by 7. By 7. Here we have to write the denominator as the numerator and numerator as the denominator. So that is 7 by 4. This is 7 by 4 is the multiplicative inverse of 4 by 7. Here 1 by 3. Multiplicative inverse of 1 by 3. Here we have to write the numerator in denominator and denominator in numerator. So multiplicative inverse of 1 by 3 is 3 by 1. The next fraction 6 by 7. Multiplicative inverse of 6 by 7 is equal to, here the denominator will come as numerator and the numerator will come as denominator, 7 by 6. Okay, so to find the multiplicative inverse we have to write the numerator number in denominator and the denominator number in numerator. That's it. Is clear, children? The next question. Divide and write the answer in the lowest term. We are going to divide a number by a fraction. Okay, to divide a number by 4 by 9, we have to multiply the number by the reciprocal of the second fraction. Okay, so 2 into to divide the number 2 by 4 by 9, we have to multiply the number by the reciprocal of 4 by 9. What is the reciprocal of 4 by 9? 9 by 4. Now we have to reduce the numbers. We have to check whether there is any possibilities to reduce. Here 2 and 4 are divisible by 2. So in 2 table 1 time, in 2 table 2 time. Here in numerator we are having 9, in denominator 2. So no other possibilities to reduce. So we have to multiply the numerator numbers. 1 into 9, that is 9, and in denominator we are having 2. So the fraction is 9 by 2. 9 by 2 is an improper fraction. So we have to convert it into mixed number. For that we have to divide the numerator number 9 by the denominator 2. In 9 how many 2's are there? 4 times. 4 2's are there. 4 2's are 8. Now we have to subtract 9 minus 8, 1. Here quotient is 4, remainder is 1, divisor is 2. So we have to write in the form of quotient remainder by 2. So 4 1 by 2 is the answer. 2 divided by 4 by 9 is equal to 4 1 by 2. Is it clear, children? The next question. 5 divided by 5 by 8. To divide the number 5 by 5 by 8, we are going to multiply the number by number 5 by the reciprocal of the fraction 5 by 8. What is the reciprocal of 5 by 8? That is 8 by 5. Now we have to reduce the fractions. Here in 5 table 1 time, in 5 table 1 time. Now we are having 8 alone. So 8 is the answer. 5 divided by 5 by 8 is equal to 8. The next question, 8 divided by 2 by 3. To divide the number 8 by 2 by 3, we have to multiply the number by the reciprocal of the fraction 2 by 3. What is the reciprocal? 3 by 2. Now we have to reduce. Here 8 and 2 are divisible by 2. So in 2 table 1 time, in 2 table 4 times. Here in denominator 1 alone is there. In numerator 4 into 3. So we have to multiply the numbers 4 and 3. 4 3s are 12. So the answer is 12. 8 divided by 2 by 3 is equal to 12. Was it clear, children? The next question is 4 by 7 divided by 4. Here to divide the fraction 4 by 7 by 4, we have to multiply the fraction 4 by 7 by the reciprocal of 4. What is the reciprocal of 4? 4 is a whole number, so the denominator is 1. So the reciprocal of 4 by 1 is 1 by 4. Now we have to reduce the numbers. Here 4 table 1 time, here 4 1 times. In numerator we are having 1 into 1. In denominator 7 into 1. So we have to multiply 1 into 1 1, 7 into 1 7. Here 1 by 7 is a proper fraction. So we can write as the answer 4 by 7 divided by 4 is equal to 1 by 7. Is it clear? Okay, the next one, 4 by 11 divided by 16. To divide the fraction 4 by 11 by 16, we have to multiply the fraction 4 by 11 by the reciprocal of 16. What is the reciprocal? Here 16 by 1, so 1 by 16. Now we have to reduce the numbers. Here 4 and 16 are divisible by 4. So in 4 table 1 time, in 4 table 4 times 16. Here in numerator we are having 1 alone, in denominator 11 and 4. So 1 into 1, 1 divided by 11 into 4, 44. So 1 by 44 is the answer. 4 by 11 divided by 16 is equal to 1 by 44. Okay. The next one, 10 1 by 2 divided by 3. Here we are having a mixed number. First we have to convert the mixed number into an improper fraction. For that what we have to do? We have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. Then we have to add the numerator. 2 into 10, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. Then the same denominator number 2. 21 divided by 3. To divide the fraction 21 by 2 divided by 3, we have to multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of 3. The reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Now we have to reduce the numbers. Here we can reduce 3 and 21 in 3 table, isn't it? So in 3 table 1 time, in 3 table 7 time. Here in numerator 7 is there, in denominator 2. 7 is not divisible by 2. So we have to multiply the numerator numbers. 7 into 1, 7 by denominator 2 into 1, 2. Here 7 by 2 is an improper fraction. So we have to convert it into mixed number. For that we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. In 7 how many 2's are there? 2 3's are 6. 3 2's are there, isn't it? Now we have to subtract. 7 minus 6, 1. Okay, we have to write in the form of quotient, remainder by divisor. So 3, 1 by 2 is the answer. 10, 1 by 2 divided by 3 is equal to 3, 1 by 2. Was it clear, children? The next question, 3 by 8 divided by 1 by 8. Here we are having two fractions. Okay, to divide the fraction 3 by 8 by 1 by 8, we have to multiply the fraction 3 by 8 by the reciprocal of the second fraction 1 by 8. The reciprocal of 1 by 8 is 8 by 1. Now we have to reduce the numbers. Here 8 8 we can cancel it, isn't it? One time. Now in numerator 3 into 1, denominator 1 and 1. So 3 by 1 which is equal to 3. So 3 by 8 divided by 1 by 8 is equal to 3. Okay. The next one, 3 by 5 divided by 3 by 2. To divide the fraction 3 by 5, we have to multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. Here 3 by 2 is there. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 2? That is 2 by 3. Now we have to reduce the numbers. Here 3, 3. We can cancel the number 3 and 3. Here in numerator 2, 5. Here there is no possibilities to reduce. So 1 into 2, 2, denominator 5. So the answer is 2 by 5. 3 by 5 divided by 3 by 2 is equal to 2 by 5. Here the next one, 3 by 8 divided by 1, 5 by 6. Here we are having a mixed number. So first we have to convert it into an improper fraction. Okay, 3 by 8 divided by, here to convert it into improper fraction, we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. Then we have to add the numerator. 6 into 1, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. Then the same denominator number 6. Now to divide the fraction 3 by 8 by 11 by 6, we have to multiply the fraction 3 by 8 by the reciprocal of the second fraction 11 by 6. The reciprocal of 11 by 6 is 6 by 11. Now we have to check whether there is any possibilities to reduce. Here 6 and 8 are divisible by 2. So in 2 table 3 times, in 2 table 4 times. Here in numerator 3, 3, 4, 11. Here there is no other possibilities to reduce the numbers. So we have to multiply the numerator numbers 3 and 3 into 3, that is 9, by denominator numbers 4 into 11, that is 44. 9 by 44 is the answer. 3 by 8 divided by 1, 5 by 6 is equal to 9 by 44. Okay. To divide the given fraction by the another one, we are multiplying it by the reciprocal of the second term. Okay. Was it clear, children? Okay. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.